Hello CMA Final students, your search for the best materials ends here. Please install Masterminds online classes app to get the best materials for CMA Final, Group 3 and Group 4. Now you can have Masterminds materials for CMA Final, Group 3 and Group 4 from Masterminds online classes app. Please install Masterminds online classes app from the Play Store and in the store section type in for CMA Final materials. And you can have Group 3 and Group 4 materials applicable for June as well as December 2024 attempt. Please don't forget, these materials are provided to you along with solutions to the problematic papers. The Group 3 and Group 2 can be purchased at 3,250 rupees. Group 3 for 3,250 rupees and Group 4 for 3,250 rupees. Don't miss this exciting opportunity and always use the best materials to prepare for the examinations. All the best. Thank you.